Original desktop AI intelligent robot. Do Bao dialogue chat and emotional learning companion meet Xiaoji Mini, a smart little desktop robot designed to bring conversation, learning, and companionship into your daily life. Powered by intelligent AI, this original Do Bao dialogue robot can chat naturally, recognize emotions, and adapt to your habits over time, making every interaction feel more personal and engaging. Compact and cute, Xiaoji Mini sits perfectly on your desk at home or in the office. It's not just a toy, but a thoughtful companion that can talk with you, respond emotionally, help with basic learning tasks, and keep you company during work or study. Whether you're looking for a fun tech gadget, a learning assistant, or a warm emotional companion, this mini electronic robot delivers a unique interactive experience. Clear glass oil lamp cover candlestick windproof candle holders oil lamp lighting lantern lampshade romantic home decor bring a warm, timeless glow to your space with this clear glass oil lamp cover candlestick. A perfect blend of elegance and practicality for cozy nights and romantic settings. Crafted from high-quality transparent glass, this windproof lampshade gently shields the flame from drafts while allowing soft, Edison LED candlelight bulb E14E27 LED flame effect bulb 3WAC220V home for decor lighting ampoule candle bulb bring a warm, nostalgic glow to your space with the Edison LED flame effect candle light bulb, where classic candle aesthetics meet modern LED efficiency. Designed to mimic the gentle flicker of a real flame, this bulb instantly adds atmosphere and charm to any room without the mess or risk of an open fire. Perfect for decorative lighting, the flame style effect creates a cozy, romantic ambience for homes, cafes, restaurants, bedrooms, or special events. With E14 and E27 base options, it fits easily into most standard fixtures like chandeliers, wall sconces, table lamps, and pendant lights. 16-in-1 foldable socket wrench set. Compact power for every fix. Be ready for quick repairs anytime, anywhere. This 16-in-1 foldable socket wrench set combines multiple tools into one smart, space-saving design. Perfect for home maintenance, car emergencies, DIY projects, and travel toolkit. Vent color smoke machine. High power fog effect for unforgettable moments. Turn any celebration into a show-stopping experience with this high power color smoke machine. Designed for professional stage effects and joyful events alike. Perfect for DJ performances, weddings, parties, concerts, and gender reveal ceremonies. It delivers thick, vibrant smoke that instantly fills the space with drama and excitement. Built with DMX 512 control and wireless remote operation, this machine gives you total command over timing, output, and effects, making it ideal for both professional lighting technicians and home event setups. Simply add compatible fog machine liquid, power it on. LED night light 3D thunder cloud ambient lamp bring the drama of a real thunderstorm indoors cloud with lightning. This 3D thunder cloud LED night light creates a stunning floating cloud effect with dynamic, color-changing lighting that instantly transforms your space. Dragon Ball Sun Goku Kamehameha Anime LED lamp is a must-have collectible for true anime fans. This DIY LED lamp combines an iconic Goku action figurine with glowing light effects to recreate the legendary Kamehameha energy blast. Perfect as both a decorative lamp and a display figure, it brings Dragon Ball's fighting spirit to life day and night. Crafted from high-quality PVC material, the figurine features 15-minute luminous remote control glass hourglass sand timer is a stunning decorative accent designed to elevate your desk, bedside table, or living space. Crafted with a clear glass body and a solid wood base, this sandglass blends modern lighting with classic hourglass aesthetics for a calming, visual experience. Mechanical jellyfish metal assembly model. Tide Play DIY puzzle ornament. Bring the mystery of the deep sea to your desk with this mechanical jellyfish metal assembly model. Inspired by the graceful motion of a jellyfish drifting with the tide, this handcrafted DIY puzzle combines precision metal parts with artistic design. Every gear. Mechanic Full 4 cooling UV curing fan with smoke extraction. Long description. The Mechanic Full 4 cooling UV curing fan is a professional-grade workstation tool engineered to improve efficiency, safety, and comfort during UV curing and precision repair tasks. Designed for technicians who work with UV glue, resin, ink, and coatings. The Full 4 combines fast heat dissipation with active smoke extraction to create a cleaner and more stable working environment. During UV curing, Excessive heat can damage sensitive components and reduce curing quality. The full 4 features a high-performance cooling system that rapidly disperses heat, maintaining a stable temperature and helping ensure even, reliable curing results. This not only protects delicate PCBs and electronic parts but also extends the lifespan of your tools and materials. In addition to cooling, the built-in smoke extraction function efficiently removes fumes, smoke, and unpleasant odors produced during UV curing. The powerful exhaust system improves air quality around the workbench, reduces eye and respiratory irritation, and keeps your workspace clear and visible, essential for detailed repair and micro-soldering work. The Mechanic Full 4 is designed for continuous professional use, offering stable performance with low operating noise. Its compact, space-saving design makes it easy to place on crowded repair benches without sacrificing power or effectiveness. Whether you're working in a mobile phone repair shop, electronics lab, or DIY workshop, this tool integrates seamlessly into your daily workflow. This LED fiber optic hat features vibrant RGB lighting that cycles through 7 dazzling colors, creating a dynamic flashing effect that instantly grabs attention. Built-in fiber optic strands evenly distribute light across the cap, producing a smooth, futuristic glow without harsh brightness. Powered by a rechargeable built-in battery. The hat offers long-lasting illumination with no need for disposable batteries. Simply charge it via USB and you're ready to glow all night. The lightweight, breathable fabric ensures a comfortable fit, while the classic fisherman, baseball cap design makes it easy to match with streetwear, festival outfits, or casual looks. Perfect for concerts, music festivals, night fishing, parties, raves, cosplay, biking. Handmade DIY Tulip Flower Cube Nightlight GT Full Material Set. Bring a soft bloom of romance into any space with this handmade DIY Tulip Flower Cube Nightlight. Designed as a complete GT full material package, this kit lets you craft a charming tulip-filled cube lamp by hand. Perfect for cozy rooms, meaningful gifts, and creative moments together. Pokemon Gengar Paper Carved Lamp Anime Figure Mewtwo Greninja 3D LED Night Light Bedroom Decoration Lamps Anime Fans Toy Gift. Bring your favorite Pokemon vibes to life with this Pokemon Gengar Paper Carved 3D LED Nightlight. A perfect mix of anime art and cozy lighting. The 3D hexagonal mirror tunnel lamp creates a stunning infinite depth visual effect with layered mirror reflections and vibrant RGB lighting. Designed for gamers, creators, and bring JDM vibes to your daily routine. Sparkles. This AE86 inspired key holder turns the iconic pop-up headlight look into a functional wall-mounted storage rack. Designed with sturdy hooks hidden behind the headlights. Upgrade your bathroom organization with this sleek aluminum alloy bathroom shelf. Designed for both style and functionality, it offers a durable, rust-resistant solution for keeping your shower essentials neatly stored. Perfect for shampoos, conditioners, body wash, soaps, and makeup. This corner shelf maximizes space without the need for drilling. Key features: premium aluminum alloy, strong, lightweight, and resistant to rust and corrosion. No drill installation. Easily mounts on walls with adhesive or suction, leaving surfaces intact. Illuminate your space with love and style. This 3D LED neon sign, Love Atmosphere lamp, is the perfect blend of modern design and cozy ambience. Whether it's for your bedroom, living room, kids' room, or a lively party setting, illuminate your space with elegance and smart functionality with our modern intelligent LED ceiling lamp. Perfect for the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even restaurants. This chandelier combines contemporary design with advanced LED technology to create a stunning centerpiece for any interior. Smart lighting control. Adjust brightness and color temperature effortlessly to suit your mood or activity. Energy efficient LED. Long-lasting, eco-friendly LEDs provide bright, even illumination while saving on electricity. Versatile design. Sleek, modern aesthetics complement any decor style, from minimalist to luxury interiors. Wide application. Ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, kitchens, and commercial spaces. Durable and easy to install. Crafted with high-quality materials for longevity and reliability. Transform your home or business with this intelligent chandelier that blends style, comfort, and innovation in one luminous fixture. Upgrade your PC build from the inside out with the ARGB sync board for PC power supplies, the ultimate lighting hub for clean, eye-catching RGB cable setups. Designed for modders, gamers, and PC enthusiasts, this sync board brings stunning neon illumination to your 24-pin motherboard cable, GPU 8-pin cables, and chassis lighting, all perfectly synchronized. Key features: full ARGB synchronization, supports 5v3-pin ARGB headers and syncs seamlessly with major motherboard RGB ecosystems, delivering smooth color transitions and dynamic lighting effects across all connected components. Resin Devil's handwall decoration. Gothic ghost mirror frame. Turn your space into a chilling scene straight out of a gothic nightmare ghost. This Resin Devil's handwall decoration features a haunting, ghostly hand emerging from a mirror, creating an eerie illusion that instantly grabs attention. With its luminous glow in the dark, it delivers a spooky atmosphere perfect for horror lovers and Halloween. Pixel lightsaber. Luke Skywalker Xenopixel lightsaber Jedi Neopixel metal handle laser sword cosplay. Heavy dueling luminous toys. Unleash the power of the Force with this pixel lightsaber inspired by Luke Skywalker. A premium Xenopixel, Neopixel saber built for collectors, cosplayers, and serious duelists alike. Crafted with a solid metal handle and advanced pixel blade technology, this lightsaber delivers stunning brightness, smooth ignition effects, and immersive sound that brings every swing to life. Designed for heavy dueling, the reinforced blade and balanced hilt provide durability and control, while customizable lighting modes let you switch colors, effects, and animations to match your Jedi or Sith style. From epic cosplay and photo shoots to display-worthy shelf presence, this saber looks as powerful as it feels. Key features: Xenopixel, Neopixel blade, ultra-bright, edge-to-edge illumination with cinematic effects, metal hilt, premium aluminum alloy for strength, balance, and a realistic grip, smooth swing soundboard, responsive audio that reacts to motion and impact, multiple colors and effects, ignition styles, blade modes, and color customization. Heavy dueling ready, built to withstand intense practice and sparring. Rechargeable power, long-lasting battery for extended play and display. Upgrade your bathroom to a whole new level of comfort and hygiene with this smart toilet bidet, designed to deliver a luxury, spa-like experience every single day. Sleek, intelligent, and easy to use, it combines advanced technology with modern style for ultimate convenience. Upgrade your sink with a sleek, tech-forward faucet that blends modern design with everyday practicality. The waterfall basin faucet pull-out kitchen and bathroom faucet delivers a smooth rainfall flow, smart temperature display, and durable stainless steel construction, no batteries required. Modern waterfall flow. Enjoy a wide, gentle waterfall stream that reduces splashing while adding a spa-like feel to your kitchen or bathroom. Perfect for washing hands, vegetables, or dishes with comfort and style. Upgrade your space with the modern Voido design rocking lounge chair, a bold fusion of postmodern art and everyday comfort. Inspired by sculptural design, this lazy sofa chair features smooth, flowing curves that instantly elevate homestays, cafes, studios, and contemporary interiors. Crafted from rotational molded PE plastic, the chair is lightweight yet exceptionally durable, resistant to moisture, fading, and daily wear. The ergonomic hollow design gently cradles the body. Anker Prime 160W14 in 1 docking station is the ultimate all-in-one hub for a clean, powerful, and ultra-productive desktop setup. Designed for professionals, creators, and power users, it transforms a single connection into a full workstation. Charging. Keep your kitchen neat, fresh, and effortlessly organized with the XIAO GUI rice dispenser and food storage container, a smart solution for storing rice, cereals, grains, and dry foods in style. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, this high-capacity container is available in 5 kg and 10 kg options, making it perfect for small households or busy family kitchens. The sealed, moisture-proof design helps preserve freshness, protecting your food from humidity, insects, and spills. BISINNA Camping Gas Stove 3600W High Power Infrared Portable Burner. Take powerful cooking performance anywhere with the BISINNA Camping Gas Stove. Built for outdoor lovers who don't compromise on heat or efficiency, this 3600W infrared card stove delivers fast, even cooking in a compact, lightweight design. Whether you're camping, hiking, picnicking, or on a road trip, it's a reliable cooking partner you can count on. The split-type structure keeps the burner stable while reducing heat transfer to the gas canister, improving safety and efficiency. Infrared combustion technology provides strong, wind-resistant flames, helping you boil water or cook meals quickly even in challenging outdoor conditions. Easy to pack and simple to use, this stove is ideal for both beginners and seasoned adventurers. Key features: 3600W high power output, rapid heating and efficient cooking infrared combustion technology, strong, wind-resistant and energy-saving flame split type design, improved stability and safer gas separation, portable and lightweight, easy to carry in backpacks and camping gear, durable construction, built to withstand outdoor use, versatile use, perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, fishing, and travel. Big Nose Puppy Faucet. Fun and functional home accessory. Add a touch of whimsy to your bathroom or kitchen with the Big Nose Puppy Faucet. Shaped like an adorable dog's head, this faucet transforms your daily hand-washing routine into a playful experience, delighting both children and adults. Features: cute and unique design. The dog-shaped faucet with a big nose makes your basin instantly charming and eye-catching. Hot and cold functionality. Transform your living space into a dreamy sanctuary with this moon lamp floor lamp. A perfect blend of art, design, and ambient lighting. Inspired by the serene beauty of the crescent moon, this lamp creates a romantic and enchanting atmosphere that elevates any room. Whether placed in your living room, bedroom, or reading nook, its soft glow provides a calming and cozy environment, making it ideal for relaxation, meditation, or quiet evenings at home. Designed with Nordic minimalism in mind, this lamp combines sleek, modern lines with a creative artistic touch. Its unique crescent shape acts not only as a functional light source but also as a striking decor piece, adding character and sophistication to your interior. The gentle illumination highlights textures, colors, and furnishings around it, creating a warm, inviting, and visually appealing space.